Okay, on page 229, this is number 29, and it's a rational expression I have to simplify. And I notice there's 4 terms in both the numerator and denominator. So with 4 terms, we're going to try factoring by grouping. And I can see I have a common factor here, and we'll see about this with 2, if we try 2 and 2. So working on this, on these first 2, I can pull out a common factor of an x squared, and then I'll have an x plus 1. And if I want to get an x plus 1 with those, I think this should work if I make this, if I put a negative 1 here. So this would be x to the third plus x squared, that checks, minus x minus 1, that checks. So I'm just working on the numerator. This is going to be then x squared minus 1 times x plus 1. So I'm going to put over here numerator. And this x squared minus 1 factors to x plus 1 times x minus 1, and I have another x plus 1. So that's going to be the numerator, and I'll put it back together at the end. So for my denominator, we'll try also here factoring out the x squared, and this will be an x minus 1. And if I want to use my x minus 1 over here, I can make this a negative 1. And that would be x to the third minus x squared. So that's working with this denominator. And then minus x plus 1 is working with that one. So putting this together, I have x squared minus 1 times x minus 1. So x squared minus 1 factors to x plus 1, x minus 1, and I still have this x minus 1. So now that's the denominator. Now putting them together, in my numerator, if I'm picking up these guys, I have x plus 1, x minus 1, x plus 1, and my denominator, I have x plus 1, x minus 1, x minus 1. So what's going to cancel here is an x plus 1 over an x plus 1, and an x minus 1 over an x minus 1. Those are both 1s. And I'm left with simply x plus 1 over x minus 1 as my final simplified answer. So that's it.